Shake, shake. Hi, everyone. I'm Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are looking at day 11 of the Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. I do have videos looking at the projects and products of all of the previous days of this Crafty Advent. This one was day 10, for example. I have all of the videos linked below in the video description, so check them out if you have missed them. But if not, let's go ahead and dive into day 11. Okay, here's day 11. Let's go ahead and take a look. Ta-da-da-da. Oh, it looks like it's probably is a sentiment stamp set. So we have sentiments that read, "Let's chat soon. We make a great pair. I heard it's your birthday. I'm here for you." Okay, wonderful. We can never have too many sentiments. I like the font in these. So let me take this little set out and we can take a closer look. So this is a look at the stamp set. You can see the size of this. These are pretty small. They would make a nice skinny strip sentiments for our cards. The panel is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. This is for sizing reference. So you can get an idea of how big or how small this sentiment is or would be when you stamp it on a card. I feel like these are not that small. I know sometimes, as we get older, our eyes are not as good as they used to be, and it gets kind of hard to read some of these super duper tiny sentiments. This, I feel like it's a still legible size. Okay, let me pause. Think about a card, and I'll be back. And here is a look at my card and the surprise from the day 11 of the Crafty Advent Calendar. The card doesn't really show the stamp set that well. I mean, it is a sentiment stamp set, so there's a limited number of things that you can do with it. But I got inspired and I decided to go back to the previous day with the toast and combine it with the Bon Appetito collection and see what elements from this collection I can bring onto the toast to make a fun little card. So I added the fork, I added the chef's hat, I added the little tray, I have an olive, and I made my own custom little tomato by using this die from the Bon Appetito and then a small circle die to create the tomato. I also added a little bow tie. By the way, a bow tie is included in the Bon Appetito. I didn't realize that it was included, but I'm glad to find or to remember that it is. And then I also used the embossing folder from this collection. I'm trying to find it. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. So this embossing folder is with all sorts of pasta, and it kind of creates cool little background. Of course, it's not super versatile like the molded frame embossing folder that I've been using almost every day of my advent calendar reveals, but it is a fun embossing folder for food-related cards. So this is a look at day 11. Oh, the color combination, forgot to mention that. So the colors are used here are pretty much the same that I did for the previous card. I did use saffron for the background. I love this warm yellow, brushed black for the fork, and then the same brown colors that I used before to make the toast. Let me go ahead and quickly show you those colors. So here we have truffle, fawn, and alabaster. I also used alabaster for the sentiment panel, and the sentiment panel was also cut using this die from one of the previous days when we had the old-fashioned stamp, the rubber stamp, wood-mounted rubber stamp. This is where that is from. So that's it. This is a look at my card featuring day 11. Love creating with these dies, and the sentiment is, of course, super fun. It's always now nice to have additional sentiments. Thank you all for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 12.